Well, good morning, friends. It's been about 7 or 8 days since we've been out here with this massive feeding in. I don't know about you, but I am super curious to see if they ate that big feeding that we gave them. It was a little nerve-wracking to feed them, but I figured, let me check on them and see where they're at food-wise before I even defrost anything, because there's entire possibilities that they haven't finished it. Oh, our temperature dropped in here. Yeah, temperature definitely dropped. It has been raining a little bit extra lately, so I think there's a decent chance it's probably because of the rain. So let's get in here and see what's left. This is the general area. Here, I'm gonna actually have you guys zoom in a little bit. Okay, so there's still a little bit of food. What do we got in here? Got some apples, maybe. That looks like part of an apple, and I think, sorry, yeah, there's definitely still some food in here. Okay. Well, that's okay. They're definitely working on it. Sorry, it's hard to zoom in like that. Let me bury it back up. Okay, so they're still working on it, which is fine. What that means, though, is I am probably not feeding them again this week because they already have all the food they need in there. And I don't want to have too much food in here where we attract any unwelcome creatures to our bin. So, as short of a check-in as this is, that's all for the urban worm bag this week. They're still working on their food. Let me know if you would have fed them or if you would do what I did and just let them keep working on that for a little bit longer. I'm curious. Okay, friends, see you soon.